Greetings everyone, I've returned to my absolute favorite Disney hotel ever, the Grand Californian, and I'm gonna give you a bit of a tour. Let's roll that intro. Now at the time of this recording, I am celebrating my twin sister Katie's birthday. It's also my birthday too. I also like to call it Mother's Day. You guys probably heard me say this 1,000 times, but it's just the truth. And it's the only reason I'm staying here tonight. So thank you to my mom and to Mac for making this happen. I'm actually staying at the DVC Villa side of the Grand Californian. I haven't been here for a while that I can recall. Some of the other videos, I don't think we were over here. Or maybe we were, but we were upstairs. It's a little bit of a different setup. I'm gonna show you what a deluxe studio looks like over at the DVC Villas. We come in right here for a full-length mirror. How you doing, everybody? Oh my goodness. And we're gonna get down there in a second. However, let us start with the bathroom first. And oh my goodness, look at this mirror. It's massive. It's massive. It's incredible. Oh my gosh. It's fantastic. And look at all the space you have here too. Like, I don't know if it comes through, but like, there's a lot of space. Like a ton of space here. Also, you can see it has a tub here with, check this out. Come here. That folds down. Isn't that nice? That's nice. That's fancy. Lots of safety rails here and bars. That's so cool. That's very, very nice. I like that a lot. I do. I also kind of like the basin here. I like the whole setup. A lot of room here. Seriously, I can't understate that. Which I appreciate quite a bit. Quite a bit here. Oh, that's fantastic. Then we look over here. We start on to the kitchenette side of things. Now, again, if you're staying in like DVC, you're typically planning on staying for like an extended period of time because it's the vacation club, so they want to give you a lot of space to put things, you know, if you're gonna keep food or other utensils and stuff. And these are the ones that it came with, which by the way, look at this, paper towel, some plates, some bowls, silverware, nice, well, disposable silverware. Yeah, which I really appreciate, I really do. Let's see what we've got on here. This is more space here for cups and stuff. A few mugs that they have on hand if you're looking to get a little bit of that sweet Joffrey's, baby. Which people seem to love Joffrey's. Or the Twinings, not Twinnings, Twinings, okay? Is that what? Probably butchering that. Anyway, nice with the Mr. Coffee here, the sink, and a toaster, Sunbeam. They also have a microwave and a little micro fridge. Look at that. That's nice. That's really nice. I'm gonna show you everything, guys. Look at this. Oh, look at this. They even have a little corkscrew, a little can opener for your, you know, O-shaped spaghetti. And then also, look at this. They even have a few trash bags, extra trash bags in here, extra storage, which is wonderful. And then over here, they have a little spot for the garbage. It's not too shabby. We move on now to the television. And this really, I'm gonna talk about this in a second. Oh, we're kind of blurring out there for a second. The light. I have all the lights on in here. Oh, there we go. Fantastic. We're gonna talk about what this is in just a sec. Oh, it's very exciting. Very exciting. We have the ice bucket. All that. Very nice. Nice cups. Ooh, feels good in the hand. Feels fancy. All right, but look at this. Look how much space we have here. Just big drawers to fill up with your clothes and whatnot. Also, before we move on to the hideaway, let's look at this for a second. Let's look at this. Oh my goodness. Got a couple of macarons here for the birthday celebration. And a few kind of, whatchamacall, like little chewy gummies or whatnot. Oh, this is so nice. This is lovely. This is lovely. Also, a quick little look here shows that they do have room service if you require it. If you're like, I want to get some food, but I don't want to go anywhere. It's really nice. Breakfast served 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. The kids is 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. with the breakfast, 5 p.m. until midnight for dinner. And at the time of this recording, I could still order dinner 5 p.m. to midnight. You could still do that if you wanted to. They also have personal pizzas. Oh, I'd probably get a margarita pizza. Yeah. Then you can also order some bottled mineral water or other beverages. Oh, Coca-Cola or something. What's wrong with that? Ooh, a little dessert action, which we wouldn't need right now because of our great little treat we have there celebrating the birthday. And then they've got various cocktails over here. Also, coffee with a kick. Oh, wow. That sounds intense. Okay, hold on a second. Here we go. And the cocktails do continue over here. Yeah. I don't know. Is anybody watch this? Do you guys like to use room service? I'd be very curious. Oh, and they have their wine list here, which the Grand is known for their wine. You know, California and all that stuff. So yeah, can maybe get one of those. Very, very fancy. Very nice. And then finally, they've got some other drinks on the back here. There we go. Nice. The not crazy lighting in here is making my camera have like issues. It's like it can't focus on anything. But to be honest, I like the warm lighting. I really, really do. As I was kind of talking about before, I believe this is a pull-out that you can sleep a little bit more on there. You pull that out there, but which we're not going to really need to do. Actually, if I'm not mistaken. Just grab that. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Boom. I could sleep on this. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, it's a little Bambi and his mom. Oh my gosh, no. I already miss Mom enough. You can't do this to me. You can't do this to me. A flower over there too. And there's like also like flowers here. And thumpers here. I can't even. It's adorable. That's really nice. That's really nice. I was trying to remember if it's like pull out. I was like, that doesn't make sense. You just pull that down. That is so easy to take care of. Just like, check this out. Here we go. Not a problem. Not a problem at all. I like that. And then over here, nice queen bed. Fantastic. It's gonna be perfect for tonight. Gonna be perfect for tonight. But you know what? I look at one of these. All I'm thinking is, I have to try the patented bed test. Ooh, here we go. But before we do that, look at this. This is actually a pull-out as well, believe it or not. Yeah, just like a single, I believe. But here's kind of the closet space. Open closet space. Hang up over here. You know, they have an iron for you as well. They have the little luggage rack, ironing board, all that stuff. And yes, this one does come with a safe. Kind of seems like standard operating procedure. They also have extra pillows and blankets and some of those nice Grand California robes. Might be throwing one of those on. Might be throwing one of those on real soon. We first have to try out the hideaway bed. And here we go. Also, let me do these. Don't try them yourself. I am a professional. I know exactly what I'm doing. Gravity and I are old friends. That sounded worse than it was. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's very comfy. It's very comfy. Wow. Like, it's at that point in the night where it's like, yeah, there's that bed over there. Yeah, but I kind of sleeping on this one. All right, let's go try the other one. Here we go. Oh. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I've talked about this at the Grand in the past, but like, it's like a firm cloud. Do you know what I mean? Like it's not, and like of course if you fell into a cloud you just fall through it, but like it's like a, I can't even. Oh my gosh. so happy to be back at the Grand. Oh, I've missed you so. It's so nice. Thank you. Yeah, I love the Grand. Also, at the time of this recording, I am on the first floor and Oogie Boogie Bash is going on outside. And Villain's Grove is right over here. And I'm pretty sure that right there is where they're doing kind of like the Scar stuff. So they're playing Be Prepared. Only for a few more minutes, but kind of cool. There's like a trail right here. Wow. It's neat. I'm excited. We're gonna be doing that soon. Doing it soon, so stay tuned to the channel. One thing I wanted to point out over here is actually this bedside table clock. Guess what? USB ports, baby. Oh my gosh. This one right here, it's just nice. You always look for those in places like this. I'm always looking for that. It's nice to have. It's really nice to have. I also always like to point out some of the art, and I think this is supposed to be reminiscent of the Griffith Park Carousel. Which is pretty cool. I love that. I really, really do. Even kind of have a shot of the side of the Grand here. Monorail track, I think that's supposed to be. It's so cool. And look, little hidden Mickey right there in the clouds. Oh, so cool. Oh, I didn't see you walk in. I'm just kidding. Look, I'm wearing the robe. I'm wearing the robe. Oh, it's so comfy. So comfy. I love it. I feel max bouge right now. Most bougie. Oh. Well, I have another thing or two to show you about the room, but I'll have to do that in the light of the day, because now it is time for me to rest. Oh, this pillow's so nice. But also, I just want to take a second and say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. I'm very, very grateful to have your time and attention like this. It really means a lot to me. Never forget that, okay? All right, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning to you and you and you and you. Yes, hello everyone. Now, it is the morning, and look it. This is our view last night. That's where the Red Creek Challenge Trail is, I believe. That's where they're doing the Villain's Grove. But yeah, this is actually an emergency exit path right here. And if we look down over here, there's the pool. Isn't that great? But we can't get in over there. But I figured I would end today's vlog by enjoying a little, I don't know, it's like a bougie brunch. Like it's mostly just candy. I don't know if I do this all the time, but I'm excited to try this stuff. We're gonna start with this little guy. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's got caramel in the middle. Oh, I was not expecting that. Oh my gosh. Caramel macaroon? Sorry, macaron? Oh. Oh. Delicious. Mmm. How do you top that one? Look at this little guy. This is my head. Wow. Is it pistachio? I don't know. I like it. I think I like the first one better. Oh. Looks cool. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Look at this little guy. I have to admit, truly, anything shaped like Mickey tastes a little bit better. Mmm. It's like a toffee. Oh. I was not expecting that either. Mmm. Real slow guy. Mmm. Soaking on my face too much. Look at that. Oh. Mmm. It's chocolate, but I'm getting notes of citrus. Oh. Delicious. And finally we got these guys. I'm saving him. It's like a mango little gummy. And there's a green one too. It's like lime. What a nice little treat on top of this whole stay. Thank you so much. And the Grand, I believe they did this because they knew it was my birthday. So thank you guys. Thank you to everybody here at the Grand. I appreciate it. Well, everybody, that's gonna do it for me here at the Grand Californian. I love this place. And one of the reasons, there's so many reasons why I love the Grand. I love the atmosphere. I love the color palette. I love just the overall vibes. It's just so nice. And the proximity to the parks, it's nuts. It truly is crazy. So I'm very grateful I get to stay here one more night. Oh my gosh. But I tell you guys this, I really mean it. The next time, if we have it planned, next time I stay at the Grand and Grizzly River is open, I'm going over there, all right? Just again and again. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today. A huge thank you to my mom and Mac for making this happen. Thank you guys so very much. I really wish you guys could be here. This is a second place. This is a runner-up to having you guys be here in person. Just know that, okay? And also a big thanks to the folks at the Grand Californian. I just appreciate you guys. You're fantastic. That was a nice little treat. What a great way to kick off the day. But also, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. The comments, the likes, all that stuff. It's meant a heck of a lot to me. And thank you so much everybody who's been sharing the channel around. That's the best thing you can do for me. I really appreciate that. But also, a huge thank you to the members who are supporting me financially here on YouTube and the patrons. Thank you guys so much. It's the thing. Like, we're doing it. Thanks to you. And I appreciate it. If you are interested in supporting in any other ways, there are links down below. But as always, you really don't have to do any of that. I just appreciate your time. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Okay? Until next time, just remember to adapt and overcome. Bye-bye. This one's for sleeping, and this one's for napping. This one's for sleeping, and this one's for napping. Sleeping, napping, sleeping, napping. Let's just go take a rest. Ugh.